how Lux soap is made from coconuts. Subscribe for more.
This is where Lux soap begins, with carefully selected coconuts sourced for purity and quality.
Every coconut used in Lux soap is inspected to ensure only the finest ingredients move forward.
These coconuts are cracked and prepared to extract the natural oils used in Lux soap. The coconut meat is finely ground to release the rich oils essential for Lux soap. Through careful extraction, pure coconut oil is obtained, the heart of Lux soap. This oil is filtered multiple times to achieve the clarity required for Lux soap.
Before becoming Lux soap, the oil undergoes strict laboratory testing for safety and consistency.
Once approved, the purified oil is stored securely, ready for Lux soap formulation. Alongside coconut oil, essential fragrances are prepared to create the signature Lux soap scent. With preparation complete, the coconut oil now moves forward to become Lux soap. Here, coconut oil transforms as it blends into the nourishing base of Lux soap.
The Lux soap formula is carefully balanced to ensure smooth texture and skin-friendly quality.
Precise ingredients are added to create the perfect Lux soap cleansing reaction.
This is where Lux soap receives its signature fragrance, carefully infused for lasting freshness.
Advanced monitoring systems ensure every Lux soap batch meets strict quality standards. Temperature control keeps the Lux soap mixture stable and perfectly conditioned.
Consistency tests guarantee the creamy texture Lux soap is known for.
powerful mixing blades ensure the Lux soap formula blends evenly and flawlessly.
Once blended, the Lux soap base is transferred for stabilization before shaping.
With mixing complete, Lux soap moves to the next stage of transformation.
This is the transformation moment where Lux soap begins forming its cleansing structure.
Controlled heat and pressure refine Lux soap into a smooth, uniform base. Robotic systems shape Lux soap with perfect precision and consistency. The iconic Lux soap branding is stamped with exact pressure and timing. Lux soap now cools gradually to achieve its firm and silky finish.
As it solidifies, Lux soap develops its smooth texture and lasting durability.
Precision cutting ensures every Lux soap bar meets exact size standards. Polishing rollers refine Lux soap, giving it a flawless premium appearance. Advanced scanners inspect every Lux soap bar for perfect finish and quality. Now fully formed, Lux soap is ready for wrapping and final presentation. Each Lux soap bar moves swiftly into automated wrapping for protection and presentation.
Precision folding ensures every Lux soap package looks clean and premium. Heat-sealing locks in freshness, keeping Lux soap protected until use.
Every Lux soap bar receives traceable coating for safety and quality tracking.
Automated systems verify that each Lux soap bar meets exact weight standards.
Robotic packers organize Lux soap efficiently into retail-ready cartons.
Each Lux soap carton is sealed securely for safe transportation. Stacked with precision, Lux soap cartons are prepared for global distribution. Shrink wrapping secures Lux soap shipments for long-distance delivery.
This video by Next Inside Process contains AI-generated visuals created for educational and documentary purposes.